Here you have a 2012 Volvo I-Shift powered by a D13 Volvo Power, 455 horsepower, double bunk, very clean. Right now we got a few of these trucks that just came in. Getting new tires on this. This truck will have new tires here. Stock number 342912. Air ride suspension. Once again, powered by the D13 Volvo. Very clean. Once again, stock number 342912. 455 horsepower. DOT inspected, no leaks, nice clean bumper. Double bunk, lots of storage, also with the sunroof as well. (2012) Thermo King connection. Once again, 2012 Volvo I-Shift, 455 horsepower.